Hello, I'm Simon Langfeld. Oh, no, I'm not Simon, I'm Simon. So it's all good?
Hello, I'm Jorge Prado and I'm racing for Red Bull GASGAS Factory Racing Team. I'm super happy to make a switch into GASGAS for the new season. I think it's new motivation, looking yourself in new colors, having a new bike, and I'm really happy to be part of this family.
Hi guys, it's Matteo Guadagnini here and I ride for GASGAS. Yes, I'm really excited to be on the Red Bull GASGAS Factory Racing Team. A new chance for me, and I'm really looking forward to be behind the gate next year.
Hello, I'm Simon Langfelder and I ride for the Red Bull GASGAS Factory Racing Team. Yeah, I'm staying on the same colors, but I changed the team. That's a big step, I would say. For sure, is a big challenging because we change color, so everybody we are quite motivated to do good this year. We need to work like always, like we did, with much passion, and we love this sport for sure, and we will put our best to win.
Well, I think sometimes the people forget that I'm only 20 years old. We are fighting in the highest category of the motocross MXGP class with the 450 machine, which is a very, very strong bike. I'm fighting against world champions, a couple of times world champions in this category. So, you know, it's not easy, but I'm there with them. So I think I can manage to be close next year for the championship.
Yeah, for sure we're gonna get back to the normal calendar, so I'm really looking forward because last year it was just my debut season, so I'm not really, I don't know really how is it the normal championship, but I'm looking forward because I think it's gonna be easier also for the rider, nice to be on the outside of Europe and some really good locations, so I'm really looking forward for next year.
It's a big team change, it's a trainer change, everything changes. So I'm already working together with them, and I think I can improve definitely over the winter. We don't have so much time this winter, but enough time to get better. We don't need to change many things because we know what we do every year. Of course, we will make a good develop of the bike, working really close with the riders, create a family group like always. So that's our job.
Come lavorare con me?
E io lavorare con te, viceversa.
È spettacolare, no? Penso che ti trovi bene.
Sì, benissimo. For sure, I have the best teacher because he has so much experience. I need to learn still a lot. Soon we will start. Soon we will see.
Get on the gas.
Get on the gas. Those bikes are. I think is beautiful. I think it will be the most beautiful bike in the paddock. So it's amazing.
I can speak better Italian than German.
Happy? Super happy. Super happy.
Finish. Okay. Se atascó esto. Yo que me iba y se me atascó esto.